Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to a new music class with Miguel. Today we are going to learn new exercises. Notice that the other weeks we said new chords and exercises, but today we only have new exercises. Why? Because we're going to review all the chords we have learned so far. So the first slide is this. You have all the chords that you have here learned during this year so far. So we have the C chord, the G chord, the A chord, D, A minor, E minor, D minor, and E. Now I have done something a little bit different for the G chord because it's like another option that you can use to play it. The normal, the one I taught you before was like this, only using 3 fingers, okay? And putting the ring finger on the first string, 3rd fret. The other way of doing it, and for some people it's easier, it's this ring finger, don't put it there, put it on the 2nd string of the 2nd string 3rd fret, and then the pinky, your finger number 4, will go where that ring finger was, on the 1st string 3rd fret. So you have it here. Let me just point it out with my mouse. You play these 2 strings, okay? Not with the 3rd finger here, but here on the red spot. So it will look like this, and it will sound like this. Now for some people it's easier this way because like a lot of people have this like a joined thing, and that it's easier to move them both at the same time and it makes them stronger. I don't know why, but it can happen, so try it that way. And then all the other chords are normal. That was the only change I wanted to tell you. Now, you can do it like this or you can do it the other way. Either way, it's okay. Okay, as long as it's more comfortable for you. So continuing, here we have now the exercises. Now, exercise 1 and exercise 2. As I mentioned in the other class, let me just put myself right here so you can see everything. There you go. That exercise right there, that strumming pattern, is one of the most popular and famous in the history of guitar playing. Okay, so we're gonna do both exercises with that pattern, strumming pattern, but with different chords. So we're going to do, let me just remind you how it is. 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and down, up, down, I want to try. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so we're gonna do that exercise with the chords C, A minor, D minor, and G. And it will sound like this. I'm gonna do it 2 times. Okay, so as I finish the bar with G, I will go back to C and do it all again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and okay, pretty nice, right? So we're gonna do the same thing in exercise 2, like the same strumming pattern, but now we're different with different chords. We're gonna do it with A, E, and D. Notice that I begin with a bar of A and I end with the bar of A. So when I repeat again, I finish this, I go back to the beginning, I do A again. Okay, it's gonna sound like a lot of A's, but that's the way the exercise is written. So be careful with that. Here I go with exercise 2. 1, 2, 3, and again. Okay, so that was exercise 1 and 2. For the third exercise, we're going to do something a little bit different, okay? We're going to do a different strumming pattern, but with chords we have seen so far, with G and E minor. Now, 2 new things here. the strumming pattern is 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and. Okay, we're not gonna play 3 and we're not gonna play 4. We're only gonna play these two ends. Now this is gonna be at the beginning a little bit more complicated, but once you get how the strumming pattern sounds, it's gonna be easier. Okay, at the beginning you're gonna think this is too hard, I'm not gonna do it. Just be patient, just try, and the more you hear it, I'm gonna play it for you, and it's not gonna sound that difficult. Okay, and of course when you play the numbers is down, and when you play the ends is up. So down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down. Okay. Second new thing, you see these bars right here, these double bars with these two dots. This means that you begin here, right? When you get to this, you're going to repeat from where? From the other double bar with the dots. This is called a repetition bar. So we play again, and when we get here, then we play the next bar, which is this this whole slash. Remember, whole slash is 4 beats long. So I'm going to play this exercise so you can see how it goes. First, I'm going to play just the pattern, okay, with G long. Let's do it without the chord, then only with G, and then with G and E minor, okay? So first the strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, and down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and. Let me lower my cam so you can see a little bit better what I'm doing with my hand. Here it is. Just the strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. Now I'm gonna do it only with G. 1, 2, 3, and. Now I'm going to do the entire thing with G and E minor, with the repetitions. Notice how I repeat. Okay, I will say repeat. 1, 2, 3, and. Repeat. Ending. Okay, let me do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, so those are the 3 exercises for this week. So as always, the task is going to be recording yourselves on video, playing these exercises using an online metronome. Okay, use it at 80 beats per minute. Okay, always set the metronome at 80. Why? Because it's like a very normal and easy way to practice that. Now, some songs are gonna be in very different metronome settings. Okay, it could be maybe 100 or 120 or 90 or even less than 80, maybe 70, 75. But I think 80 is a good starting point for you to learn how everything goes. If you want to challenge yourself, you can do it a little bit higher, maybe like 90 or 100, and see how you go. Okay, I know it's going to be difficult, but that's why you need to practice. That's why I'm giving you some time to do it, not the same day of the video. Okay, don't forget to tune your guitar first. Extremely important, very, very important. And as always, I will consider beat, chord technique, tuning, and sound quality when I'm going to grade the task. Okay, so be sure to practice, and I will see you next class.